let's solve this question. A question paper had a certain number of true false type of questions. Let's just assume total questions b x. I have assumed already that total number of questions in the test is x. If students knew the answer to questions, they could take one of the boxes labeled as true and false. So only one box can be ticked, that is true or false. Total there are x number of questions, so there would be total x true boxes and total x false boxes. No student ticked both the boxes for any question. Out of the total students, none of the students chose both the boxes or both the boxes, that is true and false. These are the boxes. This cannot possible. This is given that no student ticks both of the boxes. Either student ticked true or either student ticked false box, or none of the boxes ticked. But this is not possible where student ticked true or false. This case is not possible. However, if the student did not know the answer, he left both the boxes unticked. That is, this is the condition that question is left unattempted. So they left the question unattempted. In an answer sheet of a particular student, he attempted 22 questions. This is not the total number of questions. 22 questions are attempted question. A student who's a particular student whose answer sheet is this, he attempted 22 questions. There were 14 unticked true boxes. So out of total x true boxes, because there were, I have assumed total questions be x, and out of these x true boxes, 14 unticked true boxes are there. So I can say x minus 14 are ticked true boxes that are ticked, and it is given 24 unticked false boxes are there. So I can say total minus 24 are ticked false boxes. These are false boxes which are ticked. Find the number of questions in the question paper. I need to find the value of x. So let's just draw the Venn diagram. Total number of questions are x. These are two reasons where these are true boxes, these are false boxes. I know this student, he has attempted 22 questions and he ticked how many true boxes? X minus 14 true boxes are ticked, and x minus 24 false boxes are ticked, and he has attempted total 22 questions. Okay, and it is given that okay, so this is the reason where this is the overlapping reason. So it is when both the boxes are ticked, which is not possible. It is already given that no student ticked both the boxes. So I know this value is 0. This value is 0. So number of only true questions or the true ticked boxes are x minus 14, and x minus 24 is number of false ticked boxes. And total questions attempted are 22. So I can say the union, this union, that is x minus 14 plus x minus 24 is equal to 22, because these are the attempted questions out of total questions. So from here I get the value of x as 2x is equal to, this is 24 plus 14, 38. So it becomes 38 plus 22, that is 60 by 2. So x comes out to be 30. So total number of the questions in this question paper is 30. Correct answer to this question is option A.